How to sell ebooks on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell ebooks on Pinterest. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Pinterest, you could also use my affiliate links below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Pinterest, it is a visual discovery and social media platform that allows users to find and save ideas for a wide range of interests such as home decor, home fashion, recipes, travel, and many more. In which Pinterest functions like a virtual pinboard where users can create theme boards and pin images, videos, and links from across the web or within the platform. And now to create an account, you can click the link in the description, or you could also go to your pinterest.com and sign in your account. And now in selling an ebooks in Pinterest, we're going to use the other platform that might help us, which is this, for example, linktree.com, which is a digital tool that allows users to create a personalized landing page containing multiple links accessible through a single URL, in which the link of this Linktree account is we're going to use in our Pinterest to create a pinboard. And in order to do that, we can click the profile icon on the top right corner, and we can also start clicking or transforming first our Pinterest to business account. And to do that, just click your profile icon on the top right and click convert to business button right here. And from here, you can simply click the upgrade button to proceed, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply wait for it to load until you can simply proceed by describing your business by selecting here your answer. So kindly click or select this one. For example, I'm going to click content creator, and after that you also need to enter your business name, your country, your region, and also your website in here. And upon entering or filling out all of the required information, you can proceed by clicking the next button in here on your Pinterest in creating or converting it to our business account. Now after that, you also need to add or few more details in here, including what are your business goals and also the focus of your brand in here. And once done, you can proceed by clicking the done button below. Then you should be able to see here that you have now successfully created your business account on Pinterest. So you could also share ideas to create a pin by clicking this one. And from here, you can start creating a pin in here. But on the top panel, it will show you that you could also manage your campaigns, manage business, and many more. But since we're trying to create here a new pin, that will help us in creating or selling ebooks on Pinterest. And if you don't have any ebook ideas, you can create a new one by going to your Canva, for example. And from here, you could also search for a specific template by going on the left side panel or clicking the templates option in here. By clicking this one, just simply search on the search bar ebook. Then you will be able to see a variety of ebook cover that you can choose from. But in this page, I'm going to select here a simple one, for example this one, and click customize this template button. And after that, from here, you can start customizing the elements, including the context, the color, and even the background image in here. So for the context or title of my ebook, I'm going to enter here mind blown strategy. So from here below, you could also start changing the author name by simply clicking this one or highlighting it to select and enter the name of the author in here. And if you're now done, you can also click the share button on the top right corner. But before that, I'm going to simply rename this one into ebook cover in here. And after clicking the share button on the top right, just click the download button and download this as PNG as a file type. And once done, the next thing that we need to do is to simply go to our Pinterest. But before that, we also need to use some other platform that might help us to sell an ebooks. And that platform is this one, which is the Gumroad. So all you need to do is to simply sign in your Gumroad account and just simply go to the product section on the left side panel. And after that, it will show you a variety of products that you can choose from. So just click new product on the top right. And from here, just simply select or first enter the name of our ebook. I'm going to enter here ebook and also the title of our ebook in here, which is Mind Blown Strategy. And once done, you could also select here the type of products, which is ebooks, and below is the prices, which is for example $50. And once done, just click next customize on the top right corner, but make sure to select the ebook as a type of product in here. So I'm going to simply go back on the page in order to select the ebook as a kind of products. And after that, once done, you can now click the next and customize button on the top right once again to be directed on the next page, in which you also need to fill out some other required information, including the description of it, the URL in here, and even a cover photo or the images that we just downloaded or design in Canva. So I'm going to click computer files to upload the ebook cover that we just customized on Canva. So you should be able to see here the result. So this is basically what it looks like. Now after entering here the description, you could also enter here a text to make it bold, italic, underline, and even choose or enter to insert an images, a link, a video, an audio file, and many more. So I'm just going to enter here as a description of this ebook about life, technique, and strategy. And now to proceed, we can click the content button to be directed on the content section, or the save and continue button on the top right. And once you click on it, you'll be directed on this content section, where you could also enter some other details. But by clicking the publish button, it will show you that you have now successfully published to sell an ebook using Gumroad. And from here, just simply click this copy URL in order to copy the URL of this ebook and go to our Linktree account and click add button. And then there, URL, just simply copy the URL or paste. So upon saving it, the customer should be directed on this Gumroad, which is you will be able to see the ebook details, including the prices, the title of it, and even the thumbnail, where they can start purchasing this ebook by simply copying it, paste it in here on our Linktree, and click the add button to proceed. Upon doing so, you should be able to see the result on your Linktree account. You'd also add a thumbnail if you want to. And once done uploading it in our Linktree, we're going to copy the Linktree link. Just click the share button on the top right and click the copy button in here. Now after that, just go to our Pinterest, since we're going to sell it in here, and simply uploading here first the ebook cover and enter the title of our ebook in here. Then paste the description and proceed by adding the link below. And you could also select the board in here. By clicking create board, you can create a new one and enter the name of it. For example, ebook. And by clicking the create button, it is now being created. You could also add the tags. But now to proceed publishing it, just click the publish button on the top right. By clicking on it, you will be able to see here that you can view the publish pin, in which this basically what our customer or audience will see. And once they try to click the visit site button right here, they will be directed in our Linktree account, where they can simply click this ebook and they'll automatically be directed on the page of Gumroad right here, where they can purchase the ebook by clicking I want this button, amounting for $50. So basically, selling ebooks on Pinterest is important because it taps into highly visual and idea-driven platform where users actively seek inspiration, information, and products. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell ebooks on Pinterest. Thank you.